Hey, this is Adam Wins, and this is the Winningest. It's a late night episode for you. A little bit tired here, so excuse the tired eyes. This show is all about being the winningest at everything you do. And it just occurred to me that, man, my applications over at Wall Street Winning and Globus and the technology we've created are really, really, really the winningest. And it's something I want you to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through a little bit of a demo right now of what it is we have and how it kind of works. So I'm going to add something to the stream right now. That's you're going to see Google there real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our website, which is wallstreetwinning.com. Okay. And in this demo, you're going to see we've got a demo video here for you to see about the website. You're going to see if you want to get into our old legacy software, you just press a button here and you can get into it. Now, here is our opportunities tab. These are hot lists that are telling us what is, what is a stock that we want to be looking at. And then we have opportunities. These opportunities come from running 5,000 to 7,000 stocks and ETFs every single night and over 1 billion data points. Okay, these opportunities. So these are opportunities for tomorrow. Okay, these are stocks that are in our hot list. Okay, they're opportunities that we have in our hot list. Here's some buys for us tomorrow. We've got a weekly buy on Nugget. We've got a monthly buy on Yang, which is the directional China bear. It's 3 times bear. So this is saying that it's buying that China is going down. Now, given the fact that China is going to be having quite a, let's say, pandemic on their hands, it's highly likely that that's going to be happening. Okay, so this is the kind of information that we have here. We've got buys and we've got sells. Okay, and they're all filterable as far as if you want to go in here, and this is what we make available to all. So you can actually go in here. You can filter by weeklies and monthlies as far as signals are concerned. And then actually you can go in and you can configure based on conservative trades, moderate trades, aggressive trades, unlimited trades. Let's say I only want to see Dow 30 buys for tomorrow. There are no results from the Dow 30. So let's go to the Fox 50. Is there anything? Nothing from the Fox 50. So let's go to the NASDAQ 100. Anything from the NASDAQ? Yes. Netflix tomorrow is a buy. Okay. Netflix is in the S&P 100, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the Fortune 500. Netflix tomorrow is a buy. Okay. It's a 5 bagger. You see there? 5, the success rate of 5. Okay. It's projected to make about $691 in 10 days on just strictly the buy and sell. But then we have something beautiful called options that we can go in there. And this strategy is our option strategy that's going through. It's finding, it's mining the stock market live in real time right now as we speak. Okay. This Netflix is a weekly buy. It's a 5 moderate stock. It's a beautiful stock to be buying. So tomorrow on Netflix, we have the options income strategy that is really good. It's 8.4% in 30 days if sold and 9.22% if expired. So that's, what are you going to make in 1 week? Right around 2%, 2% in a week, no matter what happens. Okay, up or down, 2% is your gain that you're going to get here for selling that actual covered call. And on the naked put side, we have an expiration rate of 7%. So a little above almost 2%, a little below 2% on the weekly average. Okay. Obviously, Netflix is an amazing stock. Okay. It has for quarterly earnings that are good. 15-week range quote is right here. I mean, everything here is what you need. The bear cash is a little bit low. Okay. Bear cash, if you don't know what bear cash is, it's a proprietary formula that we have to determine if a company has the fundamentals to survive a 50% market crash. Here, the bear crash at 6.6 billion is a little bit low. Okay. It just means they don't have a ton of money in the bank compared to their debts and what their operating capital is going to be, going into something like a very big downturn. However, still a good stock. And then Yang, the ETF. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But this is something that we do on a daily basis. And this is not something we've done right now. This is just the signal section. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 3 other sections. Okay. We've got performance reports. Okay. We've got profile. We've got done for you. We've got my holdings and my hot list. The most important things right here. My hot list is really good because you can just go in there. These are stocks that I'm looking at. These are stocks that I care about. These are stocks that, make sense for me. And then there's also some token stocks that we give you in a bronze, silver, and gold. And again, you can see these are crunching, giving you live feedback. Of course, it's more live when the market is open. It's late night here. This isn't a month. An M is a monthly. A W is a weekly. So these winning signals are given out, on a daily basis. And, you've got your buys, you've got your buy holds. And this is just what we do on the consumer side. Okay. Now, our stock screener is here so we can put in whatever we want. We were talking about Yang. Okay. Yang is the directional bear. It is a buy. We go into the options. We pull up the income strategy. And now this is in real time. So it's going to tell you exactly what you need to be buying and exactly what you need to be selling if when. So the covered call, 6% sold, 8.5% if expired, and 5% on the put side. So it's going to be very hard for you in this market right now to do bad unless you try with our data. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, we do have a section here about my holdings and different things. It just kind of shows, our success rate and where things are at right now. And if you go through here, there's just an endless supply of data. It will just keep loading and loading and loading and loading as far as, what's there. But the main thing is that we can go to done for you. Okay, this is where it really gets interesting. This is where you're going to see our results. Okay, I'm going to pull it up on my other screen. I don't know if you can see these. I'm going to slide things over a little bit if I can. Don't know if that helps at all. Not really. It's still capturing that screen. You can see 2016. It starts at the top here. 2016, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years of results. Okay. 5 years of results. Our average win rate, we have a basic plan and a plus plan. I'm just going to go through the actual plus plan results. Okay. This is where anybody who wants to join the program can join the program. And in 2016, we had a 95% win rate, average weekly return of 1.34. Okay, that's 1.34 a week. An average hold time of 15 days, put assignment rate of 18%. Okay, we jumped to 2017. We had a 96% average weekly return. 96% win rate, an average return of 0.71. So just below 1%. An average hold time of 26 days. Put assignment rate of 6%. And then in 2018, we jumped again above 1% per week, 1.1%, with an average hold time of 17.45 days and puts assignment rate of 1% assignment rate on puts. Come on, people. Okay. 2019, we had an average weekly return of 1.24%, an average hold time of 16 days, put assignment rate of 2%. Okay. 2%. So if you weren't doing your puts and if you weren't using margin, man, you missed out. So 2020, we're up 2.12% is our average weekly return. Okay, we're only 27 days in, but we've been averaging 2% a week. Okay, so it's pretty simple how this works. We're giving you the opportunities every day, telling you what to do. And then there's 4 opportunities. These are the opportunities for tomorrow. Okay, we've got Cisco. Okay, Cisco is a buy. We've got Kangara Brands. Okay, this is a buy. Okay, and not only is it a buy, we're showing in the data here what options to sell. Okay, Hertz Global Holdings, it's a buy. And Nugget, okay, this is a gold miners. Gold is going up. Okay, gold is going up, and this is also a buy. Okay, the projected outcomes 2% in 7 days, 2.93% in 7 days, 4.62 in 7 days, 7.59 in 7 days. Okay, those are the projected returns. Do they work out like that every time? No. As you can see, our success rates are not 100%. Okay, in 2016, 5% of the times we lost. 2017, 4% of the time we lost. 18, 4% of the time we lost. In 2019, 3% of the time we lost. And so far this year, 0% of the time we've lost. Okay, it's pretty simple. We do this all for you. So when I'm confident in my technology, this system has not been down once in 5 years. Okay, it's been working, it's been producing, and it keeps producing. And then if we want to get into some more serious numbers, for those of you with $1 million or more, we've got the pros section here. Okay, it averaged, the average position return was 1.98 in 2018, 2.13 in 2019, and 1.78 in 2020. Okay, here's what we got for the stock picks for tomorrow. Okay, we've got LUV, Southwest Airlines. Okay, we've got IBM. Okay, IBM. Everybody knows IBM, right? And STMP, stamps.com. Okay, all good stocks. 1%, 3%, a little more than 0.5% in 7 days. These are the picks that the system pulls out for you. Okay, so I'm sure you're probably saying, well, that's great, Adam. You know, this is what you've done. I mean, we've got some performance reports here. Take them with a grain of salt. You actually have to show up in the Done For You. We do it live every Monday morning. Okay, every Monday morning and every Friday. You got to show up for about an hour. It's 2 hours a week, and you can be getting results just like these. Okay, just like these. They all can be done for you. It is done for you. You just have to show up and make the trades in your account. It really is that easy. So when I get some people pushing me back and saying, Adam, I got technology. I know technology. I'm a technologist. This bullshit. We've been doing this for 5 years. The mathematician Ron Grinke behind this has been doing it for longer than that, much longer, 15 years before that. Okay, now this is virtually bug free. Okay, now you want to know how we do it? Want to know our secret sauce? I'm about to show you behind the curtain how we do it. Now we're mining the stock market. Okay, this is our master control panel. Okay, this right here, you can't see the entire screen for whatever reason. It's just because it is the way that it is. Maybe I can show you. Yeah, I can show you here. Yeah, I can show you here how it looks, and that's, that's those are our numbers, our totals of weeklies, our totals of monthlies, and our average win rates. That's with everything, just with our buys and sells. That's not including what we do with options. Okay, we make a lot of money with options. Now, those results, let's simply, let's get out of this again. This is the admin. We're going to go back to this done for you. Okay. So you say, okay, great, Adam. I see you have a basic plan. I see you have a plus plan. Oh, you even have a pro plan for those people who trade, a lot of money and they're pros. Okay. But how do we know? Okay. Well, we've got something called trades open here. Okay. And in our trades open, these are positions we're currently in, that we're currently managing. And we show you all the steps of the way. We never leave you hanging. This one, LABD, we've been in it since October of 2019, and we're still in it. Okay. It's not a profitable one. We're down $45. $45. Okay. That's the loss. Okay. Now, those are the trades we're currently in. Now, normally we like for a trade to enter on a Monday and close on a Friday. And in this case, we've got some things that are still open that we're managing. Okay, but let's talk about trades completed. We've got a record of every entry point and every exit point. Why? Because we're doing them live in a simulated account every Monday and Friday to show you exactly what we do and how we do it. We're giving you the data. We're spoon feeding you the data right here. Okay. Now, the proof is in the pudding. Okay. 1.93% in 7 days. Let's keep going. Okay. 0.32% in 14 days. 10% in 35 days. Okay. 6.8% in 35 days. These are all trades closed. And I can go here, 2019. I can go back all the way to 2016. It shows the track record. I have 5 years of a track record. Boom. Mic drop. Okay. Let me show me someone else. Show me someone else on the planet that's got 5 years of their success record. Okay. 5 years. We've never had a day where the run didn't happen. We've never had a day where the run didn't happen. We always come through. We do what we say we're going to do, and we perform. Look at this. 819. 5.68% in 7 days. Okay. I just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and it's win after win. Okay. Win after win. Some bigger, some smaller. Look, $1,400, 11% in 14 days, 2 weeks, 11% in 2 weeks. Come on. You know what I mean? Like, okay, here we got a loss. MGM. I remember MGM. Okay. We lost almost 2% in 7 days. We lost $197. Boo-hoo. Okay. I mean, people that talk shit, people that don't know what they're doing, people that go from program to program to program, people that think they know technology don't know jack. If you can show me this, show me this, show me what you've done, show me what you can do. I'll show you what I've done for the past 5 years, documented with every single trade I've ever done. Here's where all the money goes. Here's where all the money comes from. Okay. The proof is in the pudding here. This is not shit talking. I lost here. XLI. Okay. XLI, we lost $540, minus 3.66% in 84 days. We finally threw in the towel. Okay. Managing it all the way through. And then here, 147 days, got it up to 8%. Whatever. It's not a loss. Okay. None of this is a loss because our gains are always more than our losses. Way more. You see a lot more greens here. Okay. That's where we end up. That's real trades. This is real fact. I'll keep going. I'm only on 2018 now. Okay. 2018. You want to see all the way back? We'll go back. I'll show you every trade, every single thing we've ever done, every win, every loss, all the dirty little secrets were totally transparent. Okay, you're not going to find that anywhere else. And that's why this is so powerful. Okay, that's why this is so powerful. Well, that's one of the reasons it's so powerful. So listen, if you really want me to go back all the way to 2008, I can. It's fine. Might be a little bit boring because we just keep going win after win after. Oh, there's a loss, right? $70, 0.66 in 7 days. We lost. Okay. But by and far, you can see where we get our numbers from back until 2017. We'll go all the way back to 2016. Every single trade we've ever done, every single position we've ever taken. Okay. We back everything up with data on top of data, math, and science. That's how we win in this game. It is math and science to the highest level. Okay. This is math and science to the highest level applied. We're mining the stock market. We're pulling out the best of the best. If you think you can do it better yourself, good luck. I cannot comprehend a billion data points every single night. This machine does. Look, that's one trade. Okay. 581 days it took, but we didn't lose money. 13%. Okay. Now, we're going into the weeds because we're going way back in time. Okay. What I want to show you is I just want to get into something here. We showed you the trades completed. Okay. They're done for you. This is where the money is. That's obviously why it is a wallet. It's done for you. It is your bank account. That is how you bank money week after week after week. Now, do I have things under the covers? Abso-freaking-lutely. Okay, this is my master list of what's really coming in. I have 8,044, 8,444 just today that we're crunching. Okay, just today that we've been crunching. This is what we do. Okay, we got what position it is. We can sort, we can filter. This is our trade day. Okay, this is our trade day. We can go back in time. Back in time. I can find a trade day. What happened on this trade day? And it's going to tell me this is what was going on this trade day. Okay. I can go back and I can search the world all the way back to 2015. What happened on this trade day in 2015? I did it and then it doesn't show up, right? Well, here's what happened on 12/14 of 2015. This is what was happening. Okay. So we're going to go back in time to today. And today, I'm sorry, this is 0/24 of 01. Okay. So these are the trade signals from last Friday. Okay. On the 24th, because that's when these actually come in. So the trades for the 27th, which is today, come out on the 24th, okay, because it is after midnight and it is Monday the 22nd. I'm doing a late night one for you, okay? Here's our mining for diamonds. This is some magic stuff there. It's a little bit above your guys' heads, but let's just say we've got a lot of things going on behind behind the curtains here, okay? And this is just one of many panels that we have, okay? One of many panels that we have. And we've got another panel. We've got another panel that I could show you. It's it's not even interesting, okay? Not even interesting because there's just so much that we do. So much that we do. And the results just speak for themselves. Again, these are the results. Now, if you're a trader, if you're not a trader, if you're investing, if you're just looking for technology, okay, this is the winningest. You can't with it, okay? You can't. You cannot mess with these numbers right here. See, basic and plus, okay? and I'll show you the pro. Okay. We got 3 plans for you. Choose what you want. The numbers don't lie. And as I showed you, the trade's completed. Go back in history, showing you the success. Okay. They're showing you the money every time, where it came from, where it goes. So it's one of those things that when someone questions, let's say, the effectiveness, or what is it I can do, man, I can show you what I can do, because we've got proof. Okay, my technology team is superior. It's the winningest. It's superior to all. Okay, whatever you're trading on, whatever trading platform, even if you're not a trader, if you're using some other technology to do something else, this is technology at its finest. Okay. Wait until I show you the trading rooms. What we do on Mondays and Fridays is, again, superior. We've got Tommy Brown to hold your hand and walk you through the entire process. You're not going to find that anywhere else on the planet, in the world. You're not going to find these numbers. These are not bullshit numbers. These are real numbers. Okay. Real freaking numbers. Check it out. Okay. Real numbers. And again, I'm not telling you what to invest in. This system does not tell you what to invest in. This is not a newsletter. This is not an opinion letter. This is not what we think you should do. This is math and data and what the math tells you to do. All right. The math says tomorrow it's Cisco. Okay. Here's the prices, and you should make around 2% in 7 days. Will you or won't you? We don't know. That's the thing. Okay. We don't control the stock market. We don't have a magic button. But if you follow the math here, the math says 30 days, 3.5%, or 6.62% if it expires. There's the risk reward. Okay. We can calculate a whole bunch of math here. Okay. We can go how many days out we want. We can go 14 days out. We can recalculate. Okay. This is real time. It's stock market crunching. It's crunching these numbers for you. Okay. You're not going to find that anywhere else on the planet. This isn't some shitty little calculator. I get all these fake technology people that tell me, yeah, I've done technology. I know technology. I just hire this guy in Asia, or I hire this guy in India, or I hire this guy in South America. Bullshit. Okay. This takes high level genius. Okay. This is God level genius stuff to do here. Okay. You're not going to get this with some run of the mill coders. You're not going to get this without having years and years. It's just like that hammer. Okay. It's just like the hammer story. You have to, what you're paying for here is for knowing where to hit on the hammer. Okay. The hammer ain't that much. We're showing you exactly where to hit. We're showing you exactly where to hit, and it's done for you. Tomorrow you're going to hit on Cisco. You're going to hit on CAG. Kangara Brands, consumer goods. What is a consumer good? What is this? Let's see. Let's click on the profile. Kangara Brands. Look how fast this just loads up. It shows you everything, okay? Quarterly earnings is good. Here's the quote. Here's the buy rank. Here's the buy limit. Here's the P&E. Here's the bear cash. Minus 10 billion. It's okay. It's okay. We're only going to be holding it for a week, hopefully. Okay. And it's a company operates through grocery, snacks, and refrigerated frozen international food services. You think the world comes to an end, people are still going to buy frozen food services. They're especially going to buy frozen food services. Okay. Hertz ain't gonna hurt. Okay. It's a rental car company. They're always doing well. Okay. Always doing well. Unless, OJ does something stupid. But again, and then we've got gold. Gold 3 times bull. It's going up. Okay. It's going up. Okay, this investment seeks fees before expenses of 300% of the daily performance of the NYSE Arca Gold Miners Index. Okay, we don't have as much. It's a ETF, so we don't have all the bear cash and quarterly earnings because it's a lot of stocks in this basket of stocks here. Okay, it's an index, and it's performs well for us. If you look into, our history of trades here, you're going to see trades completed, and you're going to see a lot of nugget. Okay. There's a lot of ETFs in here. There's a lot of good stuff in here on trades completed. Okay. You're going to find them. You're going to see them. You're going to see iRobot, LABDU. You're going to see a lot of trades. Oh, there's Nugget again. See? Nugget performed 2.14% in 7 days. Okay. In December 30th through January 3rd, we made 2.14% with Nugget. Okay. That's what we do. We buy stock, sell the call, sell the put 2% in a week into our pocket, and do it all again the next week. Do it week after week consistently. Okay. It's a system, and systems work. Okay. This isn't bullshit. This is real. Okay. And that's why I don't like when people tell me bullshit. Okay. If you don't have a clue about stock investing, get a system. And there aren't many systems like this. I would say there's probably very, very few that are going to hold your hand and show you how to do it. If you're not on the system, get on the system. Okay. And then when other technologists come to me and tell me they have a team of Indians, I laugh. It's nonsense. Absolute freaking nonsense. Okay. This is proof. This is real life data. I don't want to hear. I don't want to see anything other than results. You're not the winningest unless you can show your results. What have you done for the past 5 years? You might have created something a long, long time ago and put your name on it. Okay. But what have you done? What are you doing now? What are you doing in the future? And where's that going? Become the winningest. To be the winningest, you've got to be using the winningest technology. You've got to have the winningest technology. This is 2020. 2020 requires you to be on the cutting edge. This is the cutting edge. Okay. If you're using anything other than this, you're outdated. You're an antique. So get on it. This was put up for a reason. Okay. And you're viewing this for a reason. It is technology at its finest. Okay. It's the winningest. Get on it. Take note. And, jump on the team while you can. Okay. It's the opportunity isn't going to be around for you for very long. So jump on it while we let you in. Okay. And you're welcome for showing you all this. All right. So have a good one. Hopefully you learned something. Have a great day. Ciao. It's the winningest. This is Adam Wins. This is the winningest. And I'm going to end up with.
You are listening to The Winningest with Adam Wins. Intelligent information from those that have achieved the highest levels of success to become the winningest in wellness and wealth, bringing you the winningest from around the globe to help you get to the highest levels of winning to become the winningest in everything you do, leading the way to the winningest to get you the winningest levels in your wellness and wealth. Winningest with Adam Wins.
There you go.